That's what happens when you come to Bali in the rainy season. Oh, it's fucking disgusting. It literally stinks as well. It stinks like egg. This is what Bali's really like. It's really don't. It's just I thought somebody just put a statue in the dark. But literally, the whole place is just old. Well, not the whole place. It is nice. There's parts that are nice, but there's a lot of poverty and a lot of, well, just mud and sheet everywhere. So what are we doing today, Meg? I don't know. Going for breakfast at Copenhagen.
We're gonna go now?
Yeah. Okay. After this, go. How bad's the smell, Meg? Bad. These are all the bits they don't put on the fucking brochures. All the crap that's everywhere. And the smell. Right, another day in paradise. I'm nipping the shop. Meg's actually got Bali rally, so she's in bed, not feeling the best, but I'm going to the shop, gonna get some bits and bobs. The goodies. Holy shit. I bet the camera makes it look fucking tiny.
There's no way I'm going beyond this point here. I'll go and take it back.
Yeah, we will. At least we call the lifeguard. Oh fuck. That literally fucking opened my eyelid under the water. Fuck. It's like a fucking tsunami. Come on, Joe. Oh my god! Mate, you were on top of me then. Holy shit! Yeah. Where's he gonna end up? There he is. Oh my god. I wish the water was like crystal clear so you could just see us getting thrown about into the water. You probably can see something but not much. I think once they've fucking rolled, you have to stand your ground. But if they haven't rolled, they'll jump. Saved you. Don't take my advice though. Surprised I'm not dead. Fucking hell. Holy shit. This could be the end, boys! Oh, oh yeah. Says they were swimming on it. I'll never let go, Jack. I'll never let go. Fucking hell. We're in like knee-deep water, and look at them, they just come fucking bending over.